Hi girls, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make this cream highlighter. These days we girls are so obsessed with highlighters. So today I'm here with highlighter, DIY highlighter. This cream highlighter is easy to make and it is ready just in 1 minute. So let's start. For making highlighter, we need moisturizer. I use BLCC one. You can use any of your choice. And second one is pigment. I use glitter powder. It is very fine glitter powder. For making highlighter, in a container add little moisturizer. In this moisturizer I am going to add 2 pins of glitter powder and mix this. It is ready in less than 1 minute. Now my highlighter is ready. I am going to swatch on my hand. You can see the pigment. It is very pigmented and glossy. You can store this highlighter more than 3 months. So try this DIY before you buy expensive cream highlighter. Thank you so much for your time. If you like my DIY, then give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. Keep on watching. See you next time. Bye.